Have you ever wondered why do we decorate a Christmas tree every year? Where did this beautiful tradition really begin? Let's travel back in time and discover the magical history of the Christmas tree. The origin long before Christmas. Many people think the Christmas tree started with Christianity, but the truth is the idea of decorating evergreen trees is thousands of years old. Ancient Egyptians, Romans, and even Vikings used evergreen branches to celebrate winter. For them, these green branches symbolized life, hope, and strength during the dark, cold months. The modern Christmas tree begins in Germany. The Christmas tree, as we know it today, began in Germany in the 1500s. Families brought small fir trees into their homes and decorated them with apples, nuts, candles, homemade cookies. It was simple, beautiful, and full of warmth. Martin Luther King and the first lights. There is a famous story about Martin Luther, the Protestant reformer. One night he saw stars shining through pine trees. Inspired by their beauty, he placed lit candles on his Christmas tree. This became the first lighted Christmas tree, a tradition that spread everywhere. How you decorate your Christmas tree? Remember, you are part of a beautiful tradition that started thousands of years ago. Thank you for watching. If you love this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more festive stories.